Hey everyone, today we are going to make toggle clasp. You will need a wire, you need to curve it from above. Now you will need to make a little loop below the circle so that we can fix it in any kind of necklace or bracelet we are making. Now we are going to make the second part of the toggle clasp. To make the second part of the toggle clasp, we need to make a small loop. Then we are going to bend the wire to form an oval rectangular shape. And now we will wrap the excess wire around the small loop. Here I use toggle clasp to make this beautiful bracelet, and a video related to this bracelet is going to come soon on my channel. Thank you all for watching this video till the end.